Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. In this one, we're gonna quickly see how we can install iPython, and some people like to work on it. So let's just quickly do it. So let's first do it on the terminal if you guys want to work on the terminal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bring up my virtual environment. So source venv bin and activate. It's gonna bring up my virtual environment, right? So if I see my Python version now, I should be able to see 3.5, right? Now what I can do is I can just use pip to install iPython, and important thing to remember is always use sudo. So pip install iPython, right? And it's gonna install all the dependencies as well on its own, so you don't have to worry about those things. So just hit enter, and it's gonna ask for the password, so please make sure that you type the correct password and hit enter. So it's gonna collect all the requirements and it's done, right? So it says successfully installed all these things as well: AppNope, decorator, and pretty much everything whatever IPython needs. So this is as simple as that. We can install pretty much everything, pretty much almost everything using pip, and it's pretty easy in Python, right? So now let's see how we can install in our PyCharm, and we can actually pretty much do all the things that we can do in the terminal using our PyCharm as well. So let's do this. So just click on the top on the preferences if you have Mac, or settings if you have Windows, and then just go there. So I prefer to just increase the font, so I've increased the font for the console to 16, and you can just minimize it. So then you can just go to build, execution, and deployment. Go to console and select this, use IPython if available. So that's important. And now let's see what we need to do in order to install it, right? So go to project and go to project interpreter, and here you would see all the available or maybe you can say installed modules in our PyCharm, right? So just click on plus sign and just say IPython. So just to show you guys that what's available, so only these are available right now, right? And when I'm gonna install this IPython, and there you go, so it's gonna install a lot of other dependencies as well. So I'm just gonna select this, I'm not gonna select this thing, and I'm gonna say install package, and it says installing, right? And it's pretty quick. It says package IPython installed successfully. So I can just close it, and you guys can see it's not just one added. All these AppNote, decorator, chain you readline, IPython, and everything is already installed successfully. So I can just click OK, and I can open the Python console. And now if you see this, it's a different console. It says line number 2 and all those things. So I can just type anything like a equals to 10, and if I say a now, it's gonna show me the output as 10. It's a little neat than just the Python terminal, right? It shows you the input and the output. So basically it's input and it's output and the line number, right? So that's pretty much it, guys, and just install it, use it if you like IPython, and let me know if you have any questions. So stay tuned for the next lectures, guys. Thanks for attending this one.